Welcome to the Your Fitness Chick podcast. Become your best self. I'm your host, Abby Smiley-Krause. I am a personal trainer, a wellness enthusiast, and I'm not gonna lie, a certified dog-obsessed human. This isn't just another fitness podcast. It's your wake-up call to level up your life. In this podcast, I'll be diving into everything from crushing your workouts to shifting your mindset, because being your best self isn't just about lifting weights, it's about lifting your life. Whether you're here to get fit, find inspiration, or just stop settling for an average life, you're in the right place. We're talking about tapping into your full potential, expanding your horizons, and building a life so good, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. So let's lace up, show up, and start making things happen. This isn't just a podcast. It's your permission slip to dream big, work hard, and create the life you've always wanted. Join me here every Tuesday for a fresh episode. Welcome back to Your Fitness Chick, the podcast that brings the science, the sass, and the real truth about what it takes to feel strong, energetic, and confident, especially if you're over the age of 50 and society tells you it's time to slow down. I'm Abby, your fitness chick, personal trainer, certified nutritionist, and the woman that's here to remind you that your next chapter can be stronger than your last. So today I've got a message that's going to fire you up, because I'm talking about building muscle after the age of 50. Yes, I said building, not preserving, not just staying active, but building metabolism boosting, confidence building muscle. If you've been told it's too late, that your body can't change anymore, that you can't put on any muscle, that you're kind of just doomed to live this way the rest of your life, let me lovingly just call the BS on that, because you absolutely can build muscle. You can get stronger, and you can totally transform and reshape your body and feel more powerful than you have in decades. And today I'm going to walk you through those 5 stages of transformation, the real stages, not the let's start you with 3-pound pink dumbbells and see how it goes kind of talk, but a genuine, achievable roadmap that honors the way that our body changes as you age without watering it down. This is your Muscle After 50 Glow Up Blueprint. And by the end of this episode, you're not only going to understand how to start, but what to focus on and why it's never too late to take back your power. Let's get into it. So the first phase I like to call the spark phase. And this is where most people start, not necessarily because they wanted to, but because maybe something forced them to. Maybe you finally got to the I can't freaking wear anything in my closet phase. Maybe your doctor raised his eyebrow at you at your last appointment. Or maybe you just caught a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and you thought, what the hell has happened? Where did my body go? This phase is pretty raw and real. It's messy. It's confusing. You feel completely disconnected from your strength, and everything feels heavy, not just mentally, physically, emotionally, but everything. This phase is about not just building muscle, but rebuilding self-belief. What is actually happening in your body right now is a hormonal shift. We've got estrogen and testosterone declining, and those changes mess with your muscle tissue, your bone density, and your metabolism. You start gaining fat way more easily, especially around your midsection, and losing strength in places you didn't even know you had strength before. But this phase is also where your greatest opportunity lies, because muscle isn't just for athletes or influencers. It's your metabolism's best friend. It's your secret weapon for fat loss and aging like a badass. In the spark phase, the most important thing isn't what kind of weights you're lifting, it's that you're starting. Movement, consistency, and mindset are everything here. You don't need a 90-minute workout. You need to get your nervous system online, wake up your stabilizer muscles, and remind yourself that you are still capable of transformation. Stage 2 is what I call the foundation phase. This is where you start to feel like you're coming back to life. You've built some consistency, you've built some momentum. You're not scared of weight training anymore. you're actually kind of into it. You're sleeping better. You've got more energy during the day. And you might even notice your posture improving a little and your pants fitting a little looser. This stage is about learning how to move with control and intention. Strength training isn't just about lifting heavy, it's about creating tension in your muscles, learning how to engage your glutes, brace your core, and support your joints. It's about rebuilding your body from the inside out. What a lot of people don't realize is that resistance training also helps to balance your blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and to lower cortisol, the stress hormone that loves to hold on to that belly fat. So no, you're not just getting stronger, you're also supporting your hormones in a way that makes everything work better. And yes, we got to hit that protein. Your body's ability to use protein and repair tissue becomes less efficient as you age. So we actually need to eat more of it and not less. And that's not a bad thing. It means more energy, better recovery, and way better food choices when you do it right. Now we enter into stage 3, the shape shift phase. Say that quick 5 times. This is where things really start to get fun. You get stronger, you're more confident, and you're not just following a workout, you're owning it. People are noticing the change in you. You're noticing it in yourself, not just in the mirror, but in your mindset. You're feeling powerful, and you should, because your body is now becoming something that serves you. One that can carry the groceries up the stairs, chase your grandkids, or just make you feel sexy and your favorite pair of jeans again. The science here is still working in your favor. When you increase muscle, you're also increasing what's known as your resting metabolic rate. That means you're going to be able to burn more calories at rest. Yes, just by existing, because muscle is active tissue. And no, you're not going to bulk up, you're going to tighten up. And that's what we're going for. At this point, it's important to start thinking about your workouts like a training program, not a random to-do list. You don't need more workouts. You need better ones. You need structure. You need progression, and you need more intention. But the best part of this phase, you start to fall in love with what your body can do, not just how it looks. And that's where the real self-respect is built. Stage number 4 is what I call the builder phase. And unfortunately, this is the phase most people never reach because they stop too soon. But this is where your results go next level. You're not just lifting anymore, you're training. You're intentional with your nutrition. You understand how to progress. You can handle a heavier load, more volume, more intensity. Your recovery matters. Your sleep is sacred. You know that if you don't feel your body, you can't perform. This is where you see the real definition. It's where you start tracking progress, not by the scale, but by your reps, your sets, your strength. And yes, there's still science behind it here too. Research shows that postmenopausal women who engage in strength training 2 to 3 times a week can maintain and even increase lean muscle mass, bone density, and metabolic function. Not maintain, increase. So the builder phase is more about refinement, discipline, and mastery. It's the level where your body becomes a reflection of your habits, and your habits are now hardwired into your identity. And finally, stage 5, the strong era. This is the phase where you stop chasing the old version of yourself and start becoming the next level version. The one who walks into a room and knows her worth. The one who feels strong in her body, clearer in her mind, and unstoppable in her life. You're not training for vanity anymore. You're training for vitality, longevity, energy, grace. You're lifting heavy because it keeps your bones strong. You're training with purpose because it keeps your heart and your brain sharp. And you've got receipts now. People see you and think, damn, she figured it out. The strong era is not about perfection. It's about ownership. It's about walking around in a body that works for you and not against you. And it's about knowing that strength is your forever superpower. Now listen, no matter what stage you're in, you're not behind. You're not too old. It's not too late. The only thing you're missing is a plan. So I made one for you. I put together a completely free download called the Muscle After 50 Workout Sampler. And inside, you'll get a sample workout for each phase we talked about today, from spark to strong. And that way, no matter where you are on this journey, you'll know exactly how to train your body the smart way. And yes, it's designed for women just like you, over 50, ready to glow up and ready to get strong. You can grab it right now by just copying and pasting the link that's in the show notes, or there's a live link in the comments. And when you download it, I would also invite you to go to Facebook and join the Your Fitness Chick group page. It's where I share daily tips, workouts, mindset shifts, inspiration, and early access to some challenges and programs. So let today be the day you stop shrinking and start showing up. You've got one life, one body, and one shot to become the strongest version of you. Let's make it count. Hey, it's Abby, your fitness chick. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. Your support means the world to me and allows me to keep creating inspiring content just like this. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so we can stay connected and motivated all week long. You can find me on all my social media platforms. Links are in the show notes, and be sure to visit my website at www.yourfitnesschick.com for more resources to help you crush your goals. A huge thank you to you, my listeners. You inspire me every single day. I'll catch you in the next episode.